Hey everybody, it's Lindsay. I hate when people say they're your favorite realtor, but I know I am. So, my name is Lindsay Evans. I'm the owner and managing broker of Liberty Point Realty. We are licensed in Illinois and Indiana. We are talking today about silent mortgages. So, with everything that just happened with the pandemic and um, I wouldn't call it a housing crisis, but with people not being able to pay their mortgages, there were a lot of mortgage companies that were offering deferments and forbearances and things, and they'll, suspend mortgage payments and they'll put mortgage payments at the back of the loans and all that stuff. So just to break it down really quickly, mortgage modifications, a lot of times they create a separate mortgage, and this mortgage is not due until the first mortgage has been paid in full. Only time it's due before then is if you decide to sell the property. And then at that time, it will be due. And so what we were seeing a lot of is people would go to sell their properties and they would forget that they have this silent mortgage on the back because it's not due yet. And they wouldn't be able to sell because they couldn't afford it. I literally just had a deal just fall apart because the buyer wasn't aware or didn't remember that they had this modification, so they had this extra mortgage on the back end, and they didn't take that into consideration when it came to what they could sell their house for or what they needed to sell it for to be able to get out of the mortgage altogether. So beware when you're doing a mortgage modification, loan modification. It's not like your payments are just wiped away and you don't have to pay them ever. A lot of times they put them into a separate mortgage. It's to your advantage because it's not due at that time. It's not incurring interest and all that stuff. But you will have to pay it when you go to sell the property if you're selling it prior to you paying off the house. So just want to give you that little bit of information. Beware. Just make sure you just have all your paperwork in order and you know what's going on with your mortgage. Okay? If you have any other topics that you want me to talk about, drop them below in the comments. I want you to like, subscribe, share, everything that they tell people to do on YouTube. But really, I want you to come back so we can have some more discussions. Take care.